Hello YouTubers, this is Dave out in Western Pennsylvania, USA. I'm using my tablet now, so hopefully we'll get better quality videos for you. I'm running a small DC motor, and this is the small bench scale zinc polybromide, zinc bromine secondary cell. I'm using a small plastic vial. I used as the zinc electrode, steel-plated, zinc-plated steel screw. I charged it up and I cranked it up with the amperage. My last video, what was it, about 380 milliamps? I cranked it up, and of course then I got zinc dendrites forming very quickly. That's what's great about this bench scale. There's a lot to learn with this, and it's relatively safe. It's a plastic vial, tight-fitting cap. I drilled the anode, zinc electrode through the cap, and I have graphite rods. You get one out of a lantern battery, of course. Heated it up, put it right through, running horizontal on the bottom, hot glued it to create a seal so there's no leakage. I have a larger one that I've been working with. You could see it there. And I took some of the electrolyte out. And Dr. Murray Smith has a video on how to prepare the zinc bromide from zinc sulfate and sodium bromide. Very good prep. But I cranked the amperage up when recharging this. I was at 1.4 volts. I brought it up to 1.78, but too fast and you're going to get dendrites. I have activated carbon pad over the graphite electrode because I'm hoping that they will then bind the polybromides so they don't diffuse through the solution and come in contact with the zinc electrode. And I'm thinking of preparing polyaniline from one of my organic batteries. I have a video uploaded to YouTube on that. And the protonated form of polyaniline that I use as electrode in the organic battery, I'm thinking of putting that in there because I think that would interact with the polybromides that actually form. But this is a very good demo for school or home study, relatively safe, tight fit, and you can see I'm running this small DC motor. I haven't done any quantitative work on this yet, but I will. But anyway, this might put some ideas in your head, and you could try your hand at this. I'll keep you posted on what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Any questions, contact me. My website's down there below. Bye for now.